Happy Saturday, everybody. I don't typically work on Saturdays, but I do emergency calls. So today we've got a bad regulator up here that's been leaking and has been shut down. So I'm out here, I've got the meter dropped off and it's down there, and we're going to replace that regulator. Unfortunately, these fittings are not threaded compression fittings, they are soldered or crimped fittings. So in order to get that out, we need to take all of this apart. So that's what we're going to do now. We've gotten it put all the way back together. Here's our brand new regulator. Gas is still off. Open this up. Open this up. All right. Gas is on. Now for the fun part. The bubbles. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Everything there looks good. Down here where I took it apart. Down here. And then we'll spray everything. Pew, 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 pew. Alright. Make sure we get it in there. Alright, so looks like we are good to go. Alright guys, let me know if you need any help, emergency or otherwise. Give me a call. My name is Kime with Nova Gas, 703-424-5467. I'll see you on the next one.